Hi guys and gals. This is an article I found about the ls7 valve guide problem. And a few of you have asked me on other videos that I made about this problem, so I thought this would be a good thing to put up for your information. What I'm going to try to do is hold the camera steady on each page, and then you can pause the pages and read the article for yourself. So there's one page. Here's the next page. So you get the idea. Just pause these and then read the article. And hopefully this is easier than you trying to find the magazine online. That's page 2. And here's page 3. Now, I think this is as, what's the word? Not authentic, authoritative. This is about as authoritative as you're going to get, because K-Tech makes racing engines for the factory GM Chevrolet factory Corvette racers. So they are pretty much the authority. And it looks like my 2013 is not going to have the issue, but anything before 2011's might have the issue. All right, that's page 3. And this is the last page. And I hope I'm not messing any copyright thing or anything. That's the guy who wrote the article, and I'm giving full credit to the magazine it was in and the company that he works for. So this is just for public information. And I hope it works, that you can pause and read each page. So give me a thumbs up or a like if this helps you out. Subscribe to my channel if you want more from Froggy. Click on the bell if you want notifications. Be safe, have fun. Froggy out. Bye-bye.